If you're a photographer and you aren't using a client delivery system, what the f are you doing? You need to be using one. And let me tell you why coming up. So whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, so one great way to look and feel more professional and expensive to your clients is not only to produce great images, but to also have an epic client experience. Now there are so many touch points throughout the photo shoot process where you can level up and enhance your client experience. I'll be talking about some of these other processes in other videos later on. So if you're one of those photographers who are sending your clients an email with a Google Drive or a Dropbox link, stop it now and start using PIXIESET. PIXIESET is an online gallery delivery system where your clients can view their gallery, choose selects or even proofs, download their photos or even the entire gallery, or even buy prints or canvases where you can get paid. And if you're a videographer or you offer both photo and video, they now have integrated video into the platform, so you can share your videos just as stunning as your photos. So no more crappy emails with Google Drive links. Start sending your clients these incredible galleries with customized emails straight to their inbox. You are guaranteed to blow them away and level up their experience, taking you from amateur to professional and give them an incredible experience. And PIXIESET also works across all devices and platforms, which is chef's kiss. Now I'm not sponsored by PIXIESET, although I wish I was. However, if you do decide to sign up, use my link in the description below, which will give you a bunch of free photo storage and will give me a little bit of a kickback and help me out. So feel free, use that link below and get a bunch of free photo storage. So there you have it. This is just one incredible way you can level up your client experience and truly blow them away. However, if you made it through this far of the video, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip. When it comes time to sending your clients their PIXIESET gallery, I highly recommend you create customized email templates that you can use for sending out your PIXIESET galleries. That way you've got this template saved, you just switch out the personal details of each client and you are far more efficient and it's consistent across all clients. So the next time you're writing your customized PIXIESET email template off to a client, be sure to save it so you can use it for the next one and get it consistent. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this is gonna help you level up your photography business and get more shoots booked. Because if you offer incredible photos, but you've also got an unbelievable client experience, then the word of mouth is gonna spread like no tomorrow and everyone is gonna wanna book with you. On that note, make sure you subscribe, follow me over on Instagram, and until next time, stay golden.